On today's video, we are going to try this popular hairstyle on thin, fine hair. So a lot of people call these bubble braids or dragon braids. The one that is in this photo is like a French version, meaning it's attached to your head. So we're going to give it a try and see how it works out in our thin, fine hair today. I'm going to do a center part today with this one, and I'm just gonna leave out a couple pieces at the front of my face, not too much hair, just like that.
We're going to start with a top section and just make a ponytail in the hair. I'm going to start off with my nylon hair ties to show you what it would look like with those, and then I'm going to switch to clear hair ties to show you the difference. I personally like this with clear hair ties better, but I know some people are hesitant to use those as they're afraid that they might break their hair, so I'm just showing you that you can use other hair ties as well. It just looks a bit more bulky. After you've made the first ponytail, make another ponytail directly underneath it, incorporating the tail of the first ponytail into the hair tie so that they are attached and they kind of become one ponytail. Then the space between them, you are just going to pull and fluff that until you make your bubble. Now, this is always easier to do if you can see, but if you can't get a mirror and check out what you're doing, you're just going to have to go by feel or have someone else look for you. Then you're going to make another ponytail below using another hair tie. This is going to be one of the clear ones, attaching the first ponytail to the second one again, then creating your bubble, and you just do this all the way down. Now, if you have more hair, you can do more sections, but you do want to keep these sections on the larger side if you want your bubbles to be on the larger side like they were in the picture. If you do smaller sections, you're going to end up with more bubbles that are smaller, and it's going to be a slightly different look. But then when you're done, you can just leave the tail, you could curl it, whatever you want, but that is your bubble braid or dragon braid as they like to call it.
So there we go. That is the dragon braid in your thin, fine hair. Now, it's not exactly the same feel. It doesn't feel as dramatic. It's not a style that I particularly choose to wear. I don't honestly really like it, but it can work. One of the main things that looks a bit different is typically to get those bigger bubbles in the hair, you need to take larger sections of hair, leaving everything feeling a bit more drapey than it looks in thicker hair. The alternate is you can do it with smaller bubbles. But to me, when you do it with smaller bubbles, it looks a bit more like a child's hairstyle. But to each their own, you can play around with it, see if it works for you. I'm not gonna call this one a fail, but it's not something that I love in thinner, fine hair, but I wanted to show it to you guys if you have this hair type and you're wanting to try. This is a more realistic idea of how it's going to turn out, but you can always play around with it and make it yours. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like and subscribe because it helps grow my channel here at DIY Hair School. I will see you in the next video. Bye.